Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MDR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts, not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the red and green line annotations here are coming from. But after today's price movement, not necessarily any, updates in the sense of, big events, but more so kind of confirmation that, yeah, these levels of resistance looking like they're going to be pretty stubborn going into next week. And if there is going to be any sort of bigger breakout, then yeah, the price and the bulls are really going to have to bring their A game in order to make that happen. So the first level that I would fully agree got weakened up today was right there at 87 cents. And I say weakened up because to give some credit where credit's due, I mean, the price was able to actually get up above that red line and stay above it for a while. The problem is it wasn't able to stay above it because the price eventually dropped right down below it. So yeah, like I said, I would certainly agree that 87 cents is a weakened level of resistance, but it is still a level of resistance nonetheless. So that remains public enemy number one going into next week. And then the other level that it didn't quite hit, but I think we got very, very close, was right around that 96 cent mark, as that overarching level. So, the kind of two Bash brothers, as we'll call them, they're still in play. Granted, 87 cents certainly got weakened up, but, that's still in play as resistance. And the next level after that is 96 as, more so the overarching level. As far as supports are concerned, good news is this level that I talked about yesterday wasn't even tested. It got somewhat close right there, but never got tested. And you also have the purple line right there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at 70 cents as those levels of support going forward. So yeah, today, a disappointing day in the sense of, the price started off strong and then totally rolled back over. But disappointing day, as in one day. Looking at multiple days, you can see that the price is still up above and maintaining these gains at a higher level than where it was earlier in the week, right? Sitting down here around 55 cents, now it's sitting up around 80 cents. That's still an overall good week, and the price is still just working on digesting those gains and, is trying to kind of fight back and forth. So yeah, today, disappointing, but today, one day, looking at multiple days here, you can see the price is still working on building those overall higher bases. So next week's going to be very entertaining. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.